Hi all, in this video let us see what is coupling, what are the types of coupling with example. So what is a coupling? The usage of one object by another object is known as coupling. It's basically the dependency of objects. One object used by another, then these both objects are said to be coupled. So there are two types of coupling, tight coupling and loose coupling. When one object is highly dependent on another object, it is known as tight coupling. When one object has a minimal dependency with another object, that is known as loose coupling. So by definition, it would be a little bit confusing to understand these concepts. So let us see an example to understand what is tight coupling and what is loose coupling. So what are we going to do in this video? Today we are going to create an interface job which has a single method display. Then we are going to create two classes, scientist and doctor, which will implement this job interface and it will override the display method. Then we are going to have two main class files, one to illustrate the tight coupling and another one to loose coupling. Now let's see the example for the tight and loose coupling. For this example, I have created an interface job with a method display. So we have a doctor file here which implements the job interface and overrides the display method and this is doctor. And we have an engineer class here which implements the job interface and overrides the display method and prints this is engineer. First, let's see an example for tight coupling. So this is the main class for tight coupling. So first we have given the reference for engineer and doctor, and we have a constructor with engineer and doctor as parameters, and we have a method display which calls the display method from engineer and display method from doctor. Then we have a main method here where we create new object for engineer and doctor, and with the help of these objects we are forming a new object for this app1 class and we are calling the display method. So let's see the output. Now we have an output here. This is engineer and this is doctor. So far everything is fine. Consider you are getting a new requirement. You have to add another professional, scientist, for this existing environment. So what we have to do? We have to create a new file called scientist and we need to implement the job interface. We need to override the display and we need to print this as scientist. But a lot of changes might be required in the main file here. First we need to give a reference, we need to pass a scientist argument as a constructor argument here, we need to call a display method of scientist, we need to create a new object for scientist, and then we need to call the display method. So for one new requirement it's fine. Consider in future where we have to add more and more professional for this existing environment. For example, technician or assistant or many professionals. On such case, this file will be frequently modified and a lot of code changes might be required for satisfying that new requirement. So this is known as tight coupling. Now let's see how can we overcome this with loose coupling. So this is the main file for loose coupling. So here, instead of giving the references to doctor, engineer, I am giving the reference to the job interface. So we have a display method here where I am calling the display from the interface. And in the main method, I am creating an object for engineer and I am passing that engineer as a constructor parameter and for forming a new object app. So this will execute the display method from engineer. Suppose if we have to call the display method from doctor or scientist, we need to create an object for doctor and scientist we need to pass as a parameter. So in this case, even though in future when you get a requirement to add more and more professionals, the code change will be very much minimal. There won't be much code change required for implementing the display method of the new professionals. This is known as loose coupling. So this is the examples for tight and loose coupling, and the detailed code for download is available in the description. Please have a look to it and kindly subscribe for my channel. Thank you and have a great day.